Hello YouTube, back with a earthquake update today. We've had a 2.6 magnitude earthquake in Tennessee. The earthquake occurred today, the 7th of January, 2013 at 18:29 hours UTC time or at 12:29 hours local time. The location of the earthquake: the epicenter was located 4 miles southeast of Ridley, Tennessee. Or 11 miles southwest of Hornbeck, Tennessee. And it occurred at a depth of 6 kilometers. So that's your update for today, the 7th of January, 2013. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe and have a great day today.